I call them what's the ETA? FaceTime and route on 95, they doing 360 KMH. Why the fuck you was? I'm out like you's a killer, you's a saint. I put blood right on these diamonds, killed the chicken in the saint. Damn, rockstar lifestyle, my
right back to life. One step at a time. What's up, guys? So we back with another video. We picking up part 2 of this SRT Jeep. Now, since the last video, we didn't get it started, but we got a lot of parts we needed, and we're gonna try again. So the blue Jeep I seen in the last video, bro crashed it and need a bumper. So right now he got to fix that too. So he decided to help us out. We don't know what's wrong with it. We don't know if it's the computers or it's wiring or what. So we got his computers, and we're gonna try to plug it up to see if there's something wrong with our computers and go from there. So if it cranks right up with that, we know we need a new PCM or something like that. If it doesn't, we don't, because some people saying we need to get certain things reprogrammed, but we don't want to waste money doing that. So we just gonna do a little bit extra work and get the answers. So now, as y'all see, it's snowing, man. So I don't know how much we're gonna get done today, but if it's just the computers, we definitely gonna see a start today. So on top of taking broken computers out, we also got a new headlight and we got airbags. So the car is coming together. We already got a rail that we had to buy. So body shop is pretty much waiting for us to get this car started to fix that front rail, and then we're just gonna be slapping it back together. So hopefully it starts today. We're about to find out. Long time no see, man. Well, as this weather looking, we just probably gonna try the computers today and then pick back up tomorrow.
Slide inside a truck, high spot, tell me something I don't know. Now you gonna get.
Alright, man, so first thing first, we gotta bust all this down. This joint pretty tucked in there, but there's only them 2 screws at the bottom right there, so we about to get them out and get to it. You crazy motherfucker, bro. We gotta take the bolts out.
Ah, come out, bitch.
Alright, man, we swapped the PCMs, now we gotta swap the rest. Hey, somebody grip out with that drill though. Alright, we got this joint out. That joint is definitely in there good, so we about to put that one in, and let's see.
Yeah. I'm in $1 million house off rap, nigga. I'm trying to rap. Alright.
We got them all in, we just gotta do this one now, so let's see. Alright, man, so instead of bolting it all up, we just want to plug it up, because regardless, these not our computers, so we only use them for right now. So here's the moment. So you want to get right to it, bro? That's what I'm saying, bro. I wanted to see if it says no bus first. Hit the key, unlock, lock. Yeah, bro, no problem, bro. It's hesitant on your last one. Only sometimes it will work, so I don't know, this might be good signs, man. This motherfucker crank.
Hopefully it's not. Nope.
Does it say no bus though? So it's still not starting, but we didn't do nothing with the ABS. We know the ABS is VIN matched to this, so it might not start, but it definitely doesn't say no bus. So that gotta be a good sign that all the connections are good, even though we didn't start it yet. So we're about to try to put the ABS on there. We did take it off because we knew this probably would happen. We was hoping it didn't, but we're gonna plug the ABS up, and hopefully we might see a crank, man. Make sure you're subscribed, man. Y'all see what we doing. We out here in the snow and we getting active, man. Everybody been in the comments, hey, I need another video, I need another video. Well, we here getting active, man. First, we're gonna disconnect that battery. Let snow all in the V and all. We do this ABS. So, shout out to bro that gave us all his parts off his Jeep. But we're just gonna try to do the plug. Oh, that joint a little more tucked in. We might gotta take the intake off.
Everybody with me got motion, duh. My street, baby, open it up. 5 in the morning, open the club. Ran out of one.
We're gonna assume the brakes don't matter, like all the brake lines and stuff to make this work. So we're about to see. Yeah, it's in the trunk. So we're about to see, man. Hopefully, about to see this thing crank. Battery was about to die, so we're still gonna try it and wish for the best.
No crank.
No crank.
It ain't got no gas in it.
Damn, that drum say no cool. Whole drum is not starting. Push everything we was supposed to for this to be able to work, so we not understand why we're not getting no crank or nothing. But it doesn't say no bus now, so obviously something to do with the computers was fixed now. I'm gonna call around because I know these joints got like super anti-theft stuff, so I don't know if we swapped all the correct computers, but I think we did enough to see it start. So I don't know what we're gonna try next. We was really banking on these computers doing the job. We had to take it out, broke car, and then we came over here and took his out. So I don't know what we're about to do next. Man, we're still out here in the snow. It's probably been like 30 minutes. We've been trying to brainstorm. So we're going to try to plug that harness back in because we put the original computers back in and it does not say no bus. If you saw last video, no bus was our biggest problem last time. So I don't know. It's not cranking, but we're going to at least see it. Hopefully it crank. I don't know. We're trying everything at this point. Help. Man, we're pretty much just gonna wrap up today. We didn't get it started. We thought the computers was gonna do it, but it didn't even try to crank. But the no bus went away, so I feel like we getting somewhere, man. Like when we first put the harness in, we heard a few pumps. We put the computers, then put the ones back, and it don't say no bus. So we need to get a computer over here and run the codes, but it's late right now, still snowing, cold as hell, so we're gonna pick it back up probably tomorrow. So catch y'all then.
3 weeks later.
This a cream soda pop, but it's a different color. The ARP got a switch suit, but it's a different stutter. Each jacket was 35, I got different.
We're picking back up with the SRT Jeep. As you see, it's been about 2 weeks. And there's been a lot of updates since then. So with it not starting, end up being a cut in the harness. Shout out to the mechanic for fixing that. I ain't got it started, put the whole front end on here. So now all we gotta do is put this extra bumper on there, headlights, change the dash. That shit going alive.
I grew up fast, I was thugging young. All my bitches wanted me my mama cause they...
So I'm gonna show y'all in person. This is our first startup. Well, at least our first startup outside the mechanic. Still got a whole lot of lights on the dash, but she on, she running, and we getting somewhere. So with the frame being fixed and the car actually running, everything else is just bolting up now. So the goal is to have this car done in this video right here. The rail looking damn near OEM. He just wiping off that extra paint, but this thing right back like it never was in an accident. Alright, so we pretty much got the airbag off, but when these airbags go off, the clock springs melt the wires to it. So we went ahead and got all the parts we think we need, and the clock springs right there. We got an airbag right there, dashboard right here. Only thing we missing is the steering wheel one, which we're gonna go buy after we start putting hands on this thing.
Soon we catch a op, it ain't no time to talk. Zone it pop, I ain't back no bitch.
Alright, man, so we took the soggy hood off. This joint all tights and mangled. From my Trackhawk, when I put a carbon hood on there, I looked up for bro and gave him a white John. Freshy. Now we don't know if the hinges are bent, so we're gonna try to line it up first and see if everything's even. There's no problem. I don't think they bent. I guess we can't really tell till we put everything on though.
Yeah, you know bent, nigga.
Yeah,
It's this right here. Probably the fender.
Yeah.
Look at this lineup now.
Yeah, it's a little tight right there. We probably got moved. Yeah, it's probably the fender, bro.
It definitely is two different colors.
Yeah, that's close enough.
This
though.
regular white and this black pearl. What color? Pearl white. All right, let's see. It's back open.
Okay. We're literally getting all white pieces. So only thing that's not white is gonna be the bumper. See the bumper right there. But everything else gonna be white. Right back to life. One step at a time.
With a magazine, you was left there with an empty magazine. Why with that stretcher down a limousine? Don't say sweatshirt, Blackberry jeans. Hey.
So we got the headlight bracket in. We had to loosen a little bit. But headlight bracket in, fenders in. She's just looking like she needs some headlights and bumper. Until we get in here, she's still soggy, but one step at a time.
It ain't even screwed in on this one. Just got the screw right here. Just put the top one. Oh yeah, we took it out, remember?
The alternator is...
We just went all around Narnia just to get this last airbag. Now we about to head to the garage and actually finish this up. One headlight on, first sign of life. Gotta get some outside hype. I'm about to switch this whole dashboard for us right here.
These niggas need the king, me. They act like they ain't seen me. Still running round.
So, gotta change the clock spring. Pop that joint right off. All right. So we had to cut the two front seat belts. Sadly, we got black replacements, but the back's still good, so back's still gonna be red. So like I was saying, these wires right here, they melt when the airbag explodes, so we had to change it. Like I said, we got a fresh one right there. And that's the downfall about getting some of it put on. We got major gaps here, so we're about to have to try to readjust everything. Thought that had damage, but we're gonna see how this side line up. Get both headlights on, see what it's looking like. This joint looking like a backyard joint.
What? I'm tryna fuck you, I'm not tryna touch. I done seen players come hear me, they check. I got a brick and they came from.
Oh, bro, from afar, this joint look like she ready to go. Alright.
They looking the fucking inside.
He working on it. Definitely not lined up great, but a little bit of adjusting. It's definitely coming together, man.
Cracker got an AR, like he shooting stools up. Yellow wide body, Hellcat look like a school.
So the dash pretty much out, just a little miscellaneous stuff that I draw in and out. With the old, if you want to know what it looks like under your dash, here you go. There go the old one. Out with the old, and with the new.
VVS and on the body is a Tim Tag on the Maybach, full wacky in my finger, sipping green, bitch. Why you say?
Right there. New one jump right at, no problem. So while bro doing the dash over there, we're gonna change these seat belts. They locked up, sadly, so got the new one right here, all good. So sadly, it's just black, but safety first. So whatever. Alright, we got the new seat belt in there. Bro finishing up the dash. This joint definitely coming together though, step by step. So we put these pieces on just for the windshield wipers, I believe. Well, that wiped the headlights, but I think we're ready for the bumper now. What y'all think, man? From where it started? From what the car started in the first one, tell me what y'all think, man. This joint came a long way.
Can't hit his stomach, now he's coming out his backside. Left lacking on the east side, now he's scat my.
Yeah. So we're doing a little test for the seeing gas, but this don't look good for the most part. Bumper's still a little soggy. Now for the most part, this joint definitely look good, man. You need to mess with the hood a little bit, make the gaps a little better, but for a rough fit, this joint definitely pretty good. Bumper gonna get painted just a little bit of a different way. It got a little bit of a sparkle to it, so it still need a little paint match, but this joint definitely back.
Bitch on him, bitch on him, bitch on him, bitch on him, bitch on him.
So the oil inside pretty much together. Just got to put steering wheel on, the radio and airbags in.
I grew up fast, I was thugging young. All my bitches wanted me my mama cause they love her son. I'm a fella.
Just like that, this is going brand new again.
We'll put some power in this down.
Alright. Definitely making good progress. All you gotta do now is put the front bumper on, change one seat belt, and this joint pretty much done at this point. The front bumper paid it. So just like we had to change the clock spring, we gotta change some airbag wires too. With the heat, they melt, so we're gonna have to fix them. We're spicing them in right now. Some fresh joint right there. Good job. Alright, man, we pretty much gonna wrap the video up here. We made good progress today. We probably gave it like 8 hours. It's probably like 80% done, man. So if you like what you're seeing, man, make sure you tune in. I'm gonna catch you next time.